Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation we're going to see how we go about authorizing and unauthorizing a DHCP server in Server 2019. So prior to Active Directory, when the networks were built using what was called Windows NT 3.5 or NT 4.0, there was no way to authorize or unauthorize the DHCP server. Now what this caused was a conflict when people brought up more than one DHCP server up on the network. So when Microsoft rolled out Active Directory with Server 2000, they came up with the idea that they would prevent this from happening by allowing administrators to authorize and unauthorize their DHCP server. I'm currently logged onto my domain controller running Windows Server 2019. I'm up inside of Server Manager, and if we go over to Tools and we go down through the list and we come to DHCP, we'll go ahead and make this full screen. Move over this just a little bit. And if we expand the name of our server, you'll see that currently I am not handing out any IP version 4 or IP version 6 scope information. That's because this machine has not been authorized as a DHCP server on my network. Now, to authorize this machine as a DHCP server on the network, all we have to do is just right-click on the name of our server and click on Authorize. Now, this may not take place immediately, so what you're going to want to do is go over here and close this out. Now, you'll remember that when we installed DHCP, it asked you what group or users do you want to allow to manage your DHCP servers. That would be the administrators for my server. So if we go back up here inside of Tools now and we open up DHCP one more time, and we'll go ahead and make this full screen, move this over one more time, and we'll expand the name of our server, you'll see that we now have the green check mark. That means that this server is now authorized to hand out DHCP information on my network. Now to unauthorize, it's just the same process. Right-click on the name of your server and select from the context menu, Unauthorized. And that's going to conclude this short video presentation on how we go about authorizing and unauthorizing a DHCP server on our Server 2019 network. So if you have any questions or you have any concerns about any of the information that was presented to you in this short video presentation, please do not hesitate to reach out, contact your instructor, and I'll see you in my next video.